Hey Panaga,
Hey ma'am,
what's happening?
I've got the flowers from scene to art. So in coffee actually we can see a lot of different bearing habits of the flower.
Okay.
So now I'll be telling you how is this clusterous and why is it clusterous. So the meaning of the clusters is many flowers attached to the node. So you can see here there are many flowers attached to the node.
Yeah.
So I will be showing you the different parts of the flowers now. So with the help of the forceps, I've removed the flower.
Okay.
So you can see 5 petal and the anthers. It has 5 anthers. The anther is the male part,
Okay.
which consists of millions of pollen, and it is microscopic in nature, like we can't see it to our naked eyes.
Do you think we can see some pollen?
We could see some when it is dried, when the
Okay.
pollens are dried. So this is a flower without the male part. So this is a female flower now.
Okay.
So what I would like to say is essentially this flower, like the whole flower, is a bisexual flower. That means it has both male and female parts in it.
Okay.
So you can see the petals. Yeah. Here you can see a Y-shaped
Yeah.
structure. This is the female part of the flower.
Okay.
So the anthers, which consist of millions of pollens, get adhered to the stigma.
Okay.
So there is a sticky substance which holds the pollen. So one of the pollen, which is survival of the fittest, we can say, it gets into the pollen tube, and it reaches the embryo sac. So I can show you how it looks like. Yeah. See here. This is the stigma. This is the pollen tube. And here the pollen gets in and fertilizes.
Yeah.
So this is the embryo sac.
Okay.
I can show it to you. Please see this.
Yeah, we can see that.
This is the embryo sac. So further, this fertilizes and gives us the dicotyledon coffee fruit.
Awesome.
So
So that's
all
what
about
the dissection of this coffee flower looks
like. Yeah. And if you want to see some dusting of the pollen,
Yes, please.
I could show you some. I'll pick up some anthers.
Might be a little tricky, but we will try to show it to you. So yeah, like you can see this little part here that showcases.
These are the
yeah, the pollen is visible there.
Yeah.
Awesome. So thanks, Managa, for this cool, informative session.
You're most welcome, ma'am.
Cool.